Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify game file integrity on Steam. This is a quick, reliable way to fix common issues like crashes, missing textures, or unexpected errors by making sure your local game files match the official versions from Steam. Start by launching the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Steam opens, you'll see the main interface where you can access your games, the store, and your settings. Having Steam open and connected is all you need. The verification process runs right from here. Next, head to your library. Click the Library tab from the top of the Steam window to view all the games you own and have installed. Find the specific game you want to check. If you have a large library, the search bar at the top of the list can help you quickly locate the title. When you've found the game, access its properties. Right-click the game's name in your library and select Properties from the menu that appears. If you prefer, you can also click the small gear icon next to the game's name and choose Properties from there. This opens a dedicated window with options tailored to that game. Inside the Properties window, switch to the Installed Files tab. On some versions of Steam, this may be labeled Local Files, but it's the same place. This section contains tools related to the game data stored on your drive, including disk usage, file locations, and the verification tool we're about to use. Now, click the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will begin scanning the files on your PC and compare them with the official versions on its servers. If anything is missing, corrupted, or altered, Steam will automatically repair or re-download those parts. This process may take several minutes, depending on the size of the game and the speed of your storage and internet connection. It's normal to see a progress bar and status messages as Steam checks each file. You can let it run in the background, and you don't need to click anything else while it's working. When the verification completes, Steam will let you know if any files were reacquired. That's normal and usually small in size. Your saved data typically isn't affected by this process, though if you use mods or custom files, be aware that verification can replace altered files with official ones. If you've been troubleshooting a specific problem, try launching the game again to see if the issue is resolved. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.